There's a question that a whole lot of people usually ask that I want to go into data analysis. How do I go about it? Is there any roadmap that I can follow? Yes, I'm going to give you a roadmap that you can follow. Start with the basics. Focus on the fundamentals. Learn the basics of Excel. Learn how to clean data and wrangle data in Excel. Learn how to make a simple visuals and charts in Excel. Learn the concept of Power Query where you can automate your data cleaning process. After that, go into data warehousing. Learn the concept of data warehousing. Then move to statistics. Learn the concept of the central tendency, the measure of dispersion, the mean median mode, the standard deviation, the variance, ANOVA, type 1, hypothesis testing. Learn them. Then move to database. Learn the concept of querying database. Learn how to use SQL and the database management system. Then learn the data visualization too. You can choose between Power BI or Tableau. Power BI is very effective as well as Tableau. Learn a programming language. You can choose between R or Python. R is very powerful as well as Python. So whichever one you choose, learn it and practicalize it. Work on projects. Practice is the key. Work on projects that you can showcase to potential employers and clients.